Hi friends, welcome to day 10 of Stretching Made Easy. Today we are going to bring a little bit more of yoga into just the regular stretching postures, and I really enjoy stepping things up as you've worked hard to make it 10 days in a row of stretching. So get ready to switch things up and meet me on your mat. Today we're going to begin standing on our yoga mats. Place your feet at the top of your mat with your feet hip-width distance apart and relax your arms down by your side. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Inhale, reach your arms up above your head. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Bend your knees a lot here. Inhale, halfway lift. Bring your palms to your shins and kiss your shoulder blades together. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, your hands to heart center. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Just a few more times here. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, your hands to your heart. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Last time through. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold down. Separate your feet to the width of your mat and grab opposite elbows, allowing your head and neck to hang heavy. Just gently sway side to side here. Keeping your feet planted on the earth, gently shift your weight from your heels into your toes. You should instantly feel the muscles in the backs of your legs turn on just a little bit more. Inhale and exhale. Bring yourself to stillness. Center your left hand in front of both of your feet. And inhale, forward fold, twist, lift your right arm up high. Exhale here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last breath in. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale. Center your right hand in front of both of your feet and inhale your left arm up high. Exhale here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath in. And exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, heel toe your feet together so that your toes touch and your heels are a sliver apart. Inhale, half lift, bringing your palms to your shins. And exhale, low lunge. Step your right foot back behind you. And inhale, reverse warrior. You're going to, and inhale, star pose. Draw your heels in and your toes out, reaching up for the sky. Exhale here. Inhale. And exhale, warrior two to the front of your mat. So in this posture, I want you to bend into your front knee, pressing your knee towards your pinky toe rather than allowing your knee to sink in. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, extended side angle, reach forward and down. Now you can rest your elbow here on your knee, but try to reach up towards the sky. And then inhale, reverse triangle, straighten your front leg, reach your left arm up high towards the sky. Now we're gonna move between those two postures. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, reverse triangle. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, reverse triangle. Exhale. Inhale. Last one. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, star pose. And exhale, warrior two to the back of your yoga mat. Bend into your front knee. Press your knee towards your pinky toe rather than allowing your knee to sink in. Inhale. Exhale, extended side angle. Reach forward and down. Bringing your elbow onto your knee. Reaching your left arm up high. Inhale, reverse triangle, straighten your front leg, reach your right arm up high. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, reverse triangle, correction. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, reverse triangle. One more time. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, reverse warrior. And exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, star pose, heels and toes out. And exhale, low lunge to the front of your mat. And step your foot back to high plank. And exhale, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, press deeper in your down dog. And then come on down to your knees. You've just completed day 10. We just have 2 more days left and I'm so excited. I'll see you tomorrow. Namaste, yogis.